Ready? Start. He has stated that the deceased was coming from Jabalpur side and the tractor which was being driven rashly and negligently crushed the deceased. Stop. The deceased died on the spot and the driver of the tractor flew away. Stop. Relying upon the aforesaid statements, the Claims Tribunal has recorded a finding that the accident took place due to rash and negligent driving of the driver, in which Pramod Kumar died on the spot. Stop. While deciding the issue number 5, Claims Tribunal has relied upon the photocopy of the registration certificate paper number 8G and has recorded a finding that at the time of accident the tractor in question was validly registered and the same was insured with National Insurance Company as the document referred by the owners of the tractor has not been remitted by the insurance company. Stop para. While deciding the issue number 6 as to whether at the time of accident the driver of the tractor was holding a valid driving license, the Claims Tribunal has taken into consideration the report of the licensing authority Firozabad and the report of the licensing authority Firozabad. Stop. Report of the licensing authority Firozabad shows that the license was renewed in the name of Nate Singh and the license had not been issued in the name of Charan Singh. Stop. Further, in the report of the licensing authority, Firozabad shows that no license had been issued in the name of Charan Singh. Stop. The Claims Tribunal has further recorded a finding that Shri Sukhveer Singh had only learning license and the tractor was going to take sand in which the trolley was also attached, and since Sukhveer Singh was having a learning license to drive, there was no occasion to carry sand by the tractor by attaching trolley. Stop. Further, relying upon the aforesaid statements and documents available on the record, the Claims Tribunal has recorded a finding that there was violation of the insurance policy. Stop. While deciding the issue number 3 as to whether the opposite party number 1 was driving his tractor cautiously and by his side and without any negligence on the instructions of Charan Singh, son of Nathu Singh, Claims Tribunal has relied upon the findings of the issue number 1 and has stated that at the time of accident. Stop. Sukhbir Singh was driving his tractor rashly and negligently, due to which accident caused and Pramod Kumar died on the spot. Stop. While deciding the issues number 2 and 4 with regard to quantum of compensation, the Claims Tribunal has assessed the age of the deceased as 18 years, relying upon the post-mortem report. Stop. Overall.